You're watching CKWS News at Noon. Nice to see you on this Tuesday afternoon. Hopefully you're enjoying the mild temperatures that we will be dealing with pretty much all week long until the weekend when things cool down a little bit. Average high this time of year is around -2. Kingston getting to around 3 or +4. Today we do see a chance of a light rain for parts of the region. Basically for Kingston, Belleville, Brockville, we're looking at a light rain. Not much in the way of accumulation areas to the north of us. Smiths Falls, Upper Ottawa Valley, looking at some flurries, perhaps some freezing rain later in the day. This is that system that I'm talking about right there. It's pretty quick and it moves pretty quick, and it is small, so not a whole lot of accumulation expected. And then some sunny periods are on tap for tomorrow right across the board. Belleville, how about a high of 5 degrees for you today? That's what you're looking for. 1 to 3 millimeters of a light rain in the afternoon. 3 degrees for Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds. And then by Thursday, I mentioned a chance of freezing rain later in the week. Yeah, that'll be Thursday, but still getting to +4, even overnight lows. Pretty bearable, actually. For Brockville today, 4 degrees, 1 to 2 millimeters of a light rain. A mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow, getting to +3, and then a return to 4 degrees on Thursday, dealing with a chance of freezing rain for Smiths Falls. 4 degrees today. A very brief period of a rain-snow mix. 2 degrees for Wednesday. Enjoy some sunshine. Also a high of 2 for Thursday, and a chance of freezing rain for you, Smiths Falls, for Thursday. Now for Kingston, we'll get to 4 degrees today. Maybe a millimeter of that light rain. We're dealing with some windy conditions for parts of the region as well, with gusts 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, +2, and then 4 degrees on Thursday with some light rain. 3 on Friday, mostly cloudy, and the next day after that, we are expecting some sunshine. Is Saturday, getting to -2.
We saw some light rain for our Tuesday afternoon. Now overnight tonight, mostly cloudy skies. We do have a chance for some more rain, about a 30% chance, turning to flurries around midnight if we do see it, and some moderate wind out there gusting up to 40 kilometers per hour. Now for Wednesday, mostly clear. We could see some flurries first thing in the morning, but some sunshine in store for our midweek. And then on Thursday, that's when we're really taking a look at a low pressure system that could bring some rain, heavy at times, and also some strong winds for parts of the region as well. And in terms of temperature, we're staying nice and mild above the seasonal average. Belleville getting to a high of +5 today, Kingston +3, 5 for Brockville. Smiths Falls not quite getting to the seasonal average, only getting to -4 for your high today. Now out there currently in Kingston, sitting at around +3 degrees, and again, mostly cloudy skies is what we're expecting overnight as well. Now, as we're mentioning, we saw some rain today. That's thanks to a weak system that started to affect us with a cold front. That moves out of the way, and we have a high pressure system that'll keep things more calm for our Wednesday. Again, increased sunny skies over the course of Wednesday is what we're expecting. Now that's the calm before we get this low pressure system, this Texas low, bringing up warm and moist air from the southern United States, and that's going to turn into some heavy rain at times, possibly some freezing rain for parts of our region on Thursday. So again, for our Tuesday, you can see mostly cloudy skies out there. Then on Wednesday, a chance for some flurries first thing Wednesday morning, but then increased sunny skies over the course of the day. Again, really, it's Thursday where we're expecting some increased cloud coverage, and then around closer to the noon hour is when we could start to see messy precipitation across our Thursday for different parts of our region, thanks to that Texas low. So Belleville, mix of sun and clouds, high of +3 for your Wednesday. Now your Thursday, +4, but you could be seeing some freezing rain or rain over the course of the day. And look at that, quite a lot of accumulation, 25 millimeters it's looking like, and those strong winds gusting up to 90 kilometers per hour. So those are quite strong winds there for Thursday. Friday, it's looking a little bit more more calm, overcast skies, high of +4. So Brockville, similar here. You've got some sunshine in store for your midweek, +3 across the board. Now on Thursday, again, you will see some of that rain that we're expecting there, up to 15 millimeters worth. And on Friday, there's another system that could clip our region, but it also could stay more south enough that it won't affect us. But it's looking like for your Friday in Brockville, a messy mix to end your week. Smiths Falls, again, high of +2 for Wednesday and for Thursday. Again, you've got that active weather for Thursday, possibly some freezing rain. And then on Friday, +3 and mixed precipitation with some cloudy skies. Kingston's 7-day forecast here now showing us that as we get into the weekend, the forecast becomes more mild again, some sunny skies for Saturday, but take a look at that. The temperature does take a dip, getting to a high of -1 degrees. Then it's back up above the seasonal average on Sunday. Mix of sun and clouds, overcast skies to kick off the week on Monday, +3, and some sunny breaks at this point on Tuesday with a high of +5. But now it's time for your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Pam's, your local florist, delivering smiles across Kingston since 1962.
This photo was kindly submitted by Jen Allen of Kingston. She says that she took it of the sunset on Monday at the Cataraqui Conservation Area, and it's of her puppy named Cider, just enjoying that sunset. And I just love all of the colors in this photo, the blues, the oranges. I always love a good sunset. How about you, Bill?
Yeah, I do too. You know what? We haven't seen the sun a lot lately this winter either. It's mostly drab or cloudy or something's going on, right? We did see, I guess, one sunny day recently, and looks like we'll get some more sunshine tomorrow before the next weather event moves in. But yeah, I mean, sun. We all need the sun in the winter, Aaron. It just makes you feel a little more alive, right? And
definitely
wanting to do something.
You need those sunny breaks just to liven things up and make you feel good.
I know. So, and you better feel good Wednesday, because Thursday it's not such a feel-good day there. We got a lot of rain, very powerful winds by the looks of it moving in.
Yes.
Where did winter go again, right?
Right, yes. I mean, some weather advisories for our Thursday in Kingston and Belleville, especially with those strong winds. And yeah, it just seems the temperature goes kind of yo-yos a bit here. So
definitely one extreme to another, right? Okay, we'll find out which way that yo-yo is going to fall a little bit later in your 10-day outlook. Thank you, Aaron. Over to Aaron now. Aaron, you were saying tomorrow is the calm before the storm, but let's find out what's beyond that in your 10-day outlook.
Well, the mild temperatures stick around for those next 10 days, as you can see. We do have a little bit of a dip on the weekend. Saturday looking at a high of -1 degrees. That's still above the seasonal average. Getting there, of course. We do have a lot of active weather for Thursday. Rain heavy at times and some strong winds, especially for Kingston and for Belleville, gusting up to 90 kilometers per hour. Possibility for some more mixed precipitation on Friday. Then Saturday, Sunday, nice mild conditions, mix of sun and clouds for Sunday, +2. And then into next week, again, nice and calm, overcast skies for Monday, +3, +5 for Tuesday with some sunny breaks. Then on Wednesday, it gets to +7 degrees and back with some more active weather once again. So some rain it's looking like at this point for Wednesday, for Thursday, and some mixed precipitation to end the week there on Friday as well for Feb 17th. So yes, some still above seasonal average temperatures and some active weather.
No kidding, and mostly in the form of rain too.
Yes.
I can't recall a February like this where we've had more wet than white for sure. Maybe Willie was right. It's going to be an early spring.
For once, yeah, maybe he did call it right. I'm a little concerned by the 10-day because I'm hoping that my spring bulbs don't get the wrong idea here and start popping up, and then who knows what's going to happen to them.
Haven't they already started that way in your garage?
Yes,
Shauna?
I was telling you, I have a planter with some bulbs that my daughter did last spring, and we kind of forgot about it in the garage. And a couple of weeks ago, I looked over and there was some green poking out. So we've had a hyacinth, we have a tulip coming. coming, and we have some daffodils, but I don't want any outside right now.
No, well, it must be a jungle in your garage. Just like that.
Well, we brought it inside now, and it is quite nice. Yeah, yeah.
Well, I'm hoping my outdoor bulbs are tucked away safely. At least they are right now. I know that didn't sound right, but they're under snow right now. So hopefully that will not inspire them to pop up too soon. And then, of course, it'll get cold and freeze, and they'll die and shrivel away.
Or the squirrels will get them, because that's always the way.
Yeah, that's always the perennial threat right there.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
Ckws News at 11.
We saw a little bit of some rain this afternoon, not too much in terms of accumulation, and we could still see some more tonight as well. And that's thanks to a weak system with a cold front bringing a little bit of that active weather. Now for Wednesday, we do have a high pressure system moving into effect, and it'll be bringing some more calm forecast for our midweek. That's before this Texas low draws up warm and moist air from the southern United States. And that's going to turn into some rain, possibly some mixed precipitation for much of the region on Thursday. Belleville for your midweek tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. You do have a chance for some flurries first thing in the morning, but mostly mix of sun and clouds for your midweek. Then on Thursday is when you could see that freezing rain. Friday, overcast and a high of +4 degrees to end your week. Brockville, again, you've got some sunshine for your midweek. Then on Thursday, some freezing rain, up to 15 millimeters worth. On Friday, you could see another system could clip our region, but it could also stay to the south of us and not affect us. So we're just keeping an eye on that. But if we do see it, could bring some mixed precipitation to end your week. Smiths Falls, again, some sunshine, high of +2 for Wednesday, +2 for Thursday as well. And then some freezing rain. Friday at this point, +3 degrees, overcast skies, and a rain snow mix for your area. Kingston's 7-day forecast here now showing us that once we get into the weekend and into next week, things become more mild in terms of the forecast. Some sunny skies on Saturday, taking a dip though in terms of the temperature, a high of -1 degrees. Then it's back above the seasonal average for Sunday, +2 with a mix of sun and clouds. Overcast skies to kick off the week on Monday, +3, and then maybe some sunny breaks and a high of +5 for our Tuesday.